army of people behind her. It doesn't get any worse than this. Five, 6 feet of snow over your driveway. Well, let's see what we can do. It's going to be yet another battle. We finally found the Unabomber in his cabin in Alaska.
Yeah, sometimes it takes a whole village, huh?
Yep.
That's impressive. So we have about 5 people on this project right now in a snowblower. This is what you have to do when your car is on the inside of almost a 2,000-foot driveway. Man, this snow is 6 feet high. I am not kidding you. It is unbelievable. So we're just knocking snow down here into the pathway so that the snowblower can suck it up, because this is too much snow. And trying to dig the car out of the huge mess up at the house, which I will show you shortly. So here's the house and the shed, and looks like Kelly's shoveling the greenhouse roof there so it doesn't fall in. It's slow going there. Yeah. And these are about, I'm holding the camera pretty high. These are about 8-foot drifts, maybe. I don't even think they're drifts really. It's just, you know, the car's almost ready to go here. And we're gonna get this thing going. This is winter in Homer, Alaska. It's a toughie. It is a toughie. Whew. Nice day today, though. Yeah. This is the chicken coop here. This property. These are some tough chickens, man. This is what life is. In the summer, they get to go places. This is they are damn near snowed in. They're in there with a little light bulb. Hi guys, they're gonna get some straw here, but yeah, it's pretty much tough for everybody. What a riot.